In this tutorial, we're going to upload a file from our computer and save it in our OneDrive for Business using Office 365. We're going to begin by going to the How ISD website and clicking on Email. It's going to take us to our Office 365 login screen. We'll enter our Office 365 account, which for How ISD employees will be your email address. And we'll go ahead and log in to our Office 365 account. Once we're logged in, you're going to notice that it does take you to your Office 365 Outlook email. We're going to switch over to our OneDrive for Business by clicking on the link at the top. Link bar labeled OneDrive. Once inside our OneDrive for Business, we will see the File Explorer for our OneDrive for Business. We'll see any files or folders that we've already created. Now today we're not actually going to be working with a file that is on our OneDrive. We want to upload files from our computer to our OneDrive. So to do that, we can go to the link bar at the top. We're going to click on Upload. At this point, it's going to browse out to a File Upload window. It's going to take us to controls where we can see everything that's on the computer that we're currently using. So we can load files from our desktop, from our Documents folder, from our music library, our pictures, or even our videos. We're actually going to go to our desktop for this exercise, so I'm going to click on Desktop. And on my desktop, I have a file that I created earlier called 20 Things Every Teacher Should Be Able to Do with an iPad. I'd like to put that or upload a copy of that file to my OneDrive. So I'm going to click on that file to select it, and then I'll click Open. Once I've done that, you're going to notice that it's going to automatically move that file to the root of my OneDrive Documents folder. Now, had I wanted it to go inside of one of these other folders, I could have easily have put it there, but since I didn't, the file is actually right here. At that point, we could open the file and edit it, or maybe we're just interested in uploading files to our OneDrive and we have successfully done so. Let's go ahead and put this file, or actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this file and I'm going to go to Manage. Now I'm actually going to delete this file off my OneDrive, because what I'd like to do is I'd actually like to put that file not at the root, but inside a folder I have created earlier called Staff Development. So I'm going to click on that folder. That's going to open that folder. And I actually have a folder inside of that folder called iPad Staff Development. So I'm going to click on that folder as well. Now I want to upload the file that we had previously. I'd like to upload it inside this folder. So now you can see where currently it did, or earlier it said Documents. Now it says Staff Development, iPad Staff Development. So this is actually a folder structure. I'm going to click Upload again, just like I did before. Again, I want to get it off of my computer. I want to get it off the desktop, so I'm going to click on Desktop. I'm going to upload that exact same file, so I'll click on that file to highlight it, click Open. And now I have the file on my OneDrive for Business, but it's actually in the directory structure that I wanted earlier. Now, if I go back over to the left-hand side and click on Documents, from that list of files in my libraries, I will be taken back to the root of my OneDrive for How ISD. And you'll notice now that you don't actually see the file that we uploaded, because if you'll remember, we put it inside this folder called Staff Development. So I can click on that to open it. We then put it inside another folder called iPad Staff Development. If I click on that, and there is the file that we uploaded. That concludes this tutorial.